Are you struggling to attract the right tenants for your MTR? Today I'm going to show you marketing strategies that will help you find high quality tenants and keep your MTR occupied all year round. Welcome to day 7 of our series, Building a Successful MTR Business. My name is Michelle, and I'm here to help you through your real estate journey by providing you my story that will hopefully inspire you to take a leap of faith and build your legacy while impacting others. Today, we're going to cover proven marketing strategies to help you attract the right tenants for your midterm rental. I remember when I first launched my MTR. I put a few basic pictures up and waited for the bookings to roll in, but they didn't. I quickly learned that marketing an MTR requires more than just posting photos and waiting. I adjusted my approach, applied targeted strategies, and the results spoke for themselves. We had higher occupancy, better tenant quality, and more consistent income. So today I will walk you through what worked for me and how you could replicate it. So number 1, optimize your online listing. Your online listing is your property's first impression. So make it count. Yes, I'm sure you're going to know about this and people talk about this a lot, but you must have high quality photos. Invest in professional photos that showcase your property's best features. Have natural lighting, clean spaces, and detailed shots of key amenities are crucial. Hire a professional photographer in your area. There are a lot that do real estate photos. They do Airbnb. You can actually get these particular photographers in Facebook groups. Do not shortchange yourself on this because you definitely want to make sure that your photos stand out from the other MTRs in your area. You also want compelling descriptions that highlight what makes your MTR unique. Whether it's proximity to hospitals, business centers, or special amenities like high-speed Wi-Fi or a home office setup. I highly recommend you use ChatGPT for this. We use ChatGPT and it does very, very well as far as providing SEO words and certain things that we have tailored just for our midterm rental descriptions. You also want SEO-friendly titles. So use targeted keywords in your listing title like furnished apartment near medical center or perfect for traveling professional. This helps your listing appear in its relevant searches. When I updated my listing title to include ideal for corporate travelers, ideal for military families, I saw a significant increase in my bookings from business professionals and military families. It's all about speaking directly to the ideal tenant. So I wouldn't suggest anything like amazing pool in the backyard to lounge on your vacation. This isn't going to attract the right audience or guests. Number 2, utilize multiple platforms. Don't rely just on one. While I mentioned to you before, Airbnb and VRBO are the most popular, still consider listing on platforms specific to your midterm rentals, such as Furnished Finders, which is a go-to to traveling nurses, and they're doing very well now getting displaced and relocation specialists in there. Also traveling professionals. Zillow is a very good one for more local exposure. Corporate housing websites. So tap into your corporate clients looking for temporary housing as well. Number 3, leverage your social media. Social media can be a powerful tool for showcasing your property. Create posts that highlight the best aspects of your MTR. When you're staging, do the behind the scene videos. Share short tours of your property on Instagram or TikTok. Get your audience engaged, and I promise you that the engaging stories will attract people to actually see your property. And if you have a website up, it will be able to help on that as well. I would also suggest on Instagram and Facebook stories to highlight new features, discounts, or tenant testimonials. Consider running a targeted Facebook ad aimed at professionals or companies that frequently relocate employees. Try posting a property highlight reel on your social media and see how it engages your audience. You may be surprised on how many inquiries it brings in. Ask things like, would you stay here if you were displaced? Or ask your audience to help you out to see what's missing in your property. Recently, we did a refresh for our properties and then had our videographer go out and shoot some videos, and also Matterport, which is a 3D walkthrough of the property. It's helped our listings immensely, and it limits having to do actual tours for our home in person. I'll link a example below for you to check out on what I mean of one of our featured properties. Number 4, network with local businesses. Build relationships with local businesses can help you attract tenants. Reach out to the HR departments at nearby hospitals, tech companies, or universities. Let them know that you have a midterm rental available for their employees or visiting a staff. Corporate connections can be a gold mine for securing long-term bookings. One thing we recently started doing is speaking to local real estate agents. Several people are moving to San Antonio, and sometimes they don't have their forever home just yet. So we have educated the agents for us to be that transitional housing resource for them. We have received some referrals, and honestly, it shocks me that people still don't know what the heck MTRs are yet. Number 5, offer added value. Stand out by offering amenities that cater to MTR renters. Fully equipped workspaces, high-speed internet, and comfortable desktops, blackout curtains, welcome packs, include basic groceries or local guides for added convenience, flexible check-in options, self check-in allows for easier scheduling. So marketing can come with its own set of challenges. I know. Like standing out in a crowded market. To tackle this, make sure your property's unique selling points are clear and highlighted in your listings. And don't underestimate the power of an excellent review. A great tenant experience leads to positive reviews, which build trust and credibility. Follow up with tenants post-stay to ask for reviews and feedback. A well-placed review can make all the difference for potential renters deciding between your property and another. One of the things that we recently started doing is we do a post checkout to make sure about the security deposit. And we started to ask our guests that have stayed with us if they'd like to give a review, and this is actually a video review, and it's been worked very, very well. We've had some positive feedback. We utilize those when we are reaching out to corporate housing specialists. We'll drop the YouTube link there below in the actual email, and it has also showed like on our website, so it's worked. So try that as well. If you have an MTR client that stays with you, maybe they'll do like a Vimeo type of video for you, very short, 10 to 15 seconds. Video reviews are very, very highly effective. Having effective marketing is what sets apart a successful MTR from an average one. By optimizing your online presence, leveraging multiple platforms, and forming local partnerships, you can attract high quality tenants and maintain steady occupancy rates. Remember, the effort you put into your marketing now will pay off in long-term returns. I promise you. Investing time in marketing your MTR isn't just about filling vacancies. It's about building your reputation, attracting the right tenants, and setting yourself up for consistent success. Take these strategies, apply them to your property, and watch how your occupancy and income will improve. I'd love to hear what marketing strategies you are excited to try, or which ones have worked for you in the past. Drop a comment below and let's share ideas. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next part of our series. I have included a free checklist below to make sure you touch all the marketing strategies I suggested above and even some more. So feel free to check it out. In the next episode, we'll explore how to set the perfect rental rate for your MTR to ensure you're maximizing your income while staying competitive in the market. You won't want to miss it. Thank you again for tuning in, and I hope this has encouraged you to keep building your wealth. Bye for now.